Hi everyone, this is Prajwal Shetty from Our Balcony Garden. Our Balcony Garden was started by my wife Poornima Prajwal Shetty and myself way back in 2018. Initially, we were supplying small pots and plants and started promoting a concept of gift a plant instead of a bouquet, which became a trend in Namakutla. And then we could see most of the functions, people started gifting a plant instead of a bouquet or a sweet. In 2019, we ventured into manufacturing of fiber planters which could be customized into any color, size and texture. Now what sets us apart from other nursery guys in Bangalore is, we visit your site, understand your requirement and then match the pot colors, texture as per the interior colors or theme. This again became a hero product for us where people could customize their planter as per their choice of colors they want. We also deal with wide collections of ceramic planters, metal planters which are imported from different parts of the world to enhance your interior and add that green element. Apart from these, we also deal with vertical gardens, landscaping, live and artificial plants. Do visit our store at Vertex Lounge at Mannaguda to check a wide variety of planters. You can also check in our website www.ourbalconygarden.com.